Temperature is rising continuously. From 35 it has now 54, now it is going to 60. It is going to 60 degrees centigrade. This is a Celsius thermometer. From 60 degree it is going up. Okay, you can see that here is one. এই যে ভেতরে একটা লাইন দেখা যাচ্ছে দেখো। Now the temperature has reached till 70 degrees centigrade, and you can easily see that the tea leaves which were at down, it is coming up. That is, the tea leaves are itself changing their place. It is sometimes moving up and going down. Everybody stand up and observe it. Stand up at your place. Do not come forward from your place, only observe it. From your place, observe it. Now see, the temperature has raised till 80 degrees centigrade. Now you can see the water has started boiling and the temperature has raised, and it is almost fixed at 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, till this much it is. And the water molecule has started boiling. Now if I am keeping 2 or 3 pieces of paper, so I can see the papers, once it is going down and coming up. Yes, it is going down and coming up, and just like that, if I am giving some of the tea leaves here, these are also changing its place continuously. So the method where the molecules are changing its place and making that surroundings hot is called convection. Convection. Okay, and simultaneously I can see that the butter which is kept little far from the stove, that has also started melting. So the method where there is no direct connection between the source and the object, but the object is getting hot, this method is called radiation. This method of transfer of heat is called radiation. And if at this moment I am touching it, I am feeling very hot, because here the heat, the metal is direct, the metal is in direct communication of the source, that is heat being supplied from the stove, and due to that reason this part of the container became hot. So this method is called conduction. Okay, now I have kept one spoon here, one bigger spoon here. So the ending part of the spoon, it is not in direct communication of the source, but the part which is at down, the bigger part, that is connected with the source. So now I can hold it, the place, the end is not so much hot, it is okay. After some time I will see what is the condition of this part. Let us wait for a little bit of time, but I can see by that time that the temperature is still at 100 degrees centigrade. Now the temperature which is still at 100 degrees centigrade, that is at 100 degrees centigrade water is boiling, and from liquid state it is converting to vaporized state. Okay, now after some of the timing, if I am holding it, I am getting very hot. Now this method of conduction of heat, where at one end the source is there, and due to the presence of source at one end, the other end is also getting hot. This is the method of transfer of heat, is called conduction. Let us consider this copy as the heat. Now suppose heat is being transferred from one object to the other object. Transfer it, and you all are the molecules. So are you changing your place? No. But heat is being transferred. Okay, heat is being transferred from one place to another place. This method of transaction of heat is called conduction. Okay, and where the molecule itself are changing its place, just like inside the water, convection. And now we are standing aside the burning stove and we are feeling hot. Okay, and this is due to radiation. This is due to radiation. So have you all enjoyed this experiment? Yes. So during this experiment you have learned 3 of the method of transfer of heat. Okay, conduction, convection and radiation. Thank you everybody.